So hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at another easy yet a little bit tricky problem, which says the name of problem is uh, compressed string. Name of problem is compressed string. Perfect. What does the problem state? Quite simple. Let's suppose we are given a string A, B, B, C, 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 D, E, E, F, 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 something like this. So we need to compress this string and generate a new string called as A4, B2, C3, DE2, F3, something like this. So A is 4 times repeated in the string, that's why A4. B is twice, that's why B2. C is thrice, that's why C3. But in this case, D is only once. So it's the rule of the problem that if any character is just appearing only once, then you don't need to write D1. Just mention the character. Then E is twice and then F is 3. So final string would be A4B2 C3 DE2 F3. This is okay. This is E2 and F3. So something like this. So how we should proceed? So the problem is quite clear. Let's suppose this is the string which is given to us and we need to display the compress string, and so we have written a function called as compress, which has a return type string, so let me just enlarge this for you, which has a return type string, and we will return the new compressed string. So initially we declare the compress function has a parameter str which is passed into it. Initially we declare a variable string as answer which has an empty string. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. Initially we give count is as 1, while I, like I which is initially 0, is less than string dot length minus 1. Okay, perfect. Why? Because we need to traverse the till last character, and str dot caret I is equal to str dot caret I plus 1. So what does this states? This states that current character is equal to next character. So in this case, do count plus plus and I plus plus. So let me give you a space here and a space here as well. So see, this only this much part is our while loop. Okay, so only this much part is our while loop. Okay, so what is the structure of code? Initially there is a for loop which starts from index 0 goes till last index I plus plus. Initially we have declared a count variable to 1, then a while loop. Now the while loop to run has two cases. I should be less than string dot length minus 1, of course, last character, and we have to run while loop till current character is equal to next character. So if I starts here, we need to do I plus plus and count plus plus till current character is equal to next character. This means till here. So here current character is not equal to next character. What is next character? Next character is B. So while loop will go from here to here, and in going from here to here, it will not only do I plus plus, but it will also do count plus plus. Now answer, in answer we first appended our first character, and then if the count is greater than 1, Why count greater than 1? Because if the count is 1, as in the case of D, then we don't need to append D1. Okay, we just need to append D. But if the count is greater than 1, it is 2, 3, 4 or anything else, then we need to append count as well. So if the count is greater than 1, then in answer we are appending count as well. Perfect. So I hope the logic is clear. I have not explained this logic deliberately in detail. All I have given you is the framework of code and the whole logic behind the code. Now, even if you have not understood it, it's totally okay. I personally want you to write and execute this code, and if you have not understood it, use pen and paper, sit with a pen and paper, take one string as an example and see how this I works, how this count works, okay? And then try to get familiarized with the logic on your own. Okay, so this particular part is homework. The problem is quite easy. Uh, Anyways, through videos, probably you could have understood it. But all I want you to do is to take a pen and paper and now try to solve, like to get this logic on your own. Okay, so that's it in this video. If I just try to show you by running this, so this is how we are getting our answer. So the compressed string is A5, B4, C4, D5, E6, FGHI, J7. And this is how our string is also A5, B4, C4 and so on. So that's it in this video. I once again request you to please take a pen and paper and try to get familiarized with this logic of this problem on your own. And even if you have understood it, please do make a dry run on pen and paper. Please, it's a request. Okay. So thank you for watching till end. And if you think I have made any significant contribution in your logic building, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.